Hi everyone, I'm Ross, your mattress expert from RealMattressReviews.com. Today we're here to unbox and give you our first impression of the Ojai mattress from BrentwoodHome.com. Now this is their entry-level model that comes in at $11.95, and then we have a 15% off discount, so you can end up getting a queen for $1,015. They offer a 120-night sleep trial and a 25-year warranty on all their mattresses. This particular mattress is a hybrid mattress that uses a quantum edge-to-edge coil unit. If you've watched any of my other videos, you'll know that this is a coil unit I really like. I sell a lot of mattresses in my store that use the same coil unit. It's a very durable unit and has very good motion isolation for a coil system. Additionally, this uses memory foam and latex, hole in the quilt, and a nice tensile cover on top. So what we'll do first is get it popped open, and then I'll give you guys my first impression when I push on the foams and when I lay on the mattress for the first time. I'll go ahead and get it popped open. Another thing to note, all their mattresses are very substantial. This, even being their cheapest one, is still very heavy, which is a good sign. It means they use good materials, that kind of thing. Ideally, you'll have two people unbox these, but I've done enough of these where I'll be able to handle it. Alright guys, so we've got it all opened up. It expanded very quickly. Just at first glance, I am impressed that it is button tufted, so I think this is probably the least expensive mattress so far that I've seen that has the button tufting. This is a feature you're going to find in high-end mattresses. The button tufting goes all the way through the mattress and holds all the layers together more efficiently than just having lamination, which can fail, where the layers can start to come apart and you'll get bunching of the cover and bunching of the top one or two layers of comfort foams if that lamination does fail. So that is a nice feature to see on a mattress that's not very expensive. Additionally, as I noted, it uses the quantum coil, so it has the coils that come all the way out to the edges. The outer two rows are a narrower coil but stronger than the rest of the coils, so it provides really good edge support on the sides. This mattress uses, like I said, latex and memory foam. The memory foam is going to be on top. We'll dive more into the construction during the full comprehensive review. But for now, what I'll do, I haven't felt it or anything. I'll just push on the foams. We'll take a look at the foam response. I'll let go. So as you would expect, the memory foam is going to take a little bit longer to pop up. The very top uses wool that's quilted into the quilt. So that's going to have a nice fast reaction on top. A good, soft, comfortable feel right on the very top above those premium foam layers. So I kind of like having a quilt on a mattress. I feel like it gives you a little more separation from memory foam. Even if you're using gel memory foam, which is cooler than traditional memory foam, I think having a quilt with a little bit of separation instead of laying directly on any type of memory foam, I believe personally that it helps it sleep a little bit cooler. So good reaction time. The coil system is going to pop up immediately. The memory foam is a little bit slower, but just from the feel of it right here, I know that it's not going to be hard to adjust positions or anything. I'll go ahead and lay on it for the first time. So immediately when you lay down, you can form in pretty quickly. Memory foam takes just a second. The quilt feels very nice on top. If you're worried about feeling these button tufts, you don't feel them. It's just kind of yarn on top. So it's got a nice medium universal feel. I would say it's about a 6 out of 10, with 10 being the firmest. So it's a nice feel. It feels very substantial like the rest of the Brentwood mattresses. Like a legitimate mattress, not just a little thin, piece of foam. It's a good universal feel. I think it will work for you combination sleepers that are kind of switching it up throughout the night, side, back, and stomach. So as I lay here, I've got good body conformance, very good support here in my lumbar, and it's just a good overall feel. This is definitely going to be more of a traditional mattress, hybrid type feel versus a foam feel, obviously, since it has the coil unit in there. So if you're looking for a little bit more of that traditional feel, this could be a good option for you. The overall firmness level, I think, should appeal to most of you out there. Just at first glance, this seems like a very high quality mattress, which the rest of the Brentwood home mattresses are. The Oceano and the Cedar I've done reviews of. I'm really impressed that it's still button tufted even in that price range. It seems like it's a very nice mattress for $1,015 with our coupons applied. As I mentioned, I think this is the least expensive mattress that I've opened or reviewed that has that button tufting, which is a feature you usually see on high-end mattresses. Stay tuned for the full comprehensive review coming up. Otherwise, head back to realmattressreviews.com. We've got tons of other reviews. You can take a look at our other reviews of the Brentwood home mattresses as well as several others. On the right-hand side of the screen, there's a tab that says Mattress Concierge. Maybe you've just started looking, or maybe you're stuck between one or two brands. Shoot me a message over there and I will personally respond back with some suggestions that I think might work great for you. I hope you have a great day and I really appreciate you watching this video. Thanks.